Hi, I'm Nilay Parikh, founder and CEO at Arvist. Welcome to the Arvist Experience Center. This is not a demo showroom. It's where you can get hands-on with warehouse AI technologies that are built to fit and not force change. Our philosophy at Arvist is very simple. Build real-world AI which works in your processes and your operations without forcing our clients to invest in massive new infrastructure or change their processes. This Experience Center reflects that philosophy. No need to pause or stop your operations. No need to go through extensive IT permissions just for a proof of concept. Here, you can test drive the Arvist AI solutions in a setting that mimics your workflows. You can run proof of concepts, pilots, demos, simulate your use cases, and see what value you can get out of it. You can get actual measurable ROI and understand what value Arvist will bring to the table. We're removing the guesswork from it all.
Hi, I'm Alec Groff, head of AI at Arvist. Our AI doesn't require new infrastructure. We work with the systems and equipment that you already use. Right here, you'll see a full quality control station built within a couple hours. Our real-time computer vision reads labels, detects damages, flags expired goods, and cross-references everything with your WMS. No manual inspection needed. Our dashboard is built for action, not overload. You'll receive clear, real-time insight that helps your team work faster and make smarter decisions with less guesswork.
The Experience Center is a no-pressure space where Arvist can envision and see Arvist's capabilities without having to touch any of their live operations. Here we can provide real data, real insight, and a clear sense of ROI without having to roll out anything. When you start your journey here at the center, we'll walk you through setup, testing, and validation. You'll be able to see you're not just kicking tires, you're proving out real value.
Here at Arvist, we are engineering the future of warehouse operations, and you are invited.